This inconsistency can result in missed defects or false positives. It depends heavily on the inspector's experience and expertise. Even the most seasoned inspectors can overlook subtle defects, especially when under pressure or fatigue. Even with advanced techniques, some defects may go unnoticed. These hidden flaws can compromise the integrity of the weld, leading to potential failures in the future. This highlights the need for more reliable and efficient testing methods. By adopting new technologies, we can improve accuracy, reduce costs, and enhance overall safety in welding operations.
Section 4: AI Revolutionizing Weld Testing. AI is transforming the field of weld testing, bringing unprecedented precision and efficiency to the process. AI-powered systems can analyze images and data from welding processes in real time, providing instant feedback. They can identify defects with high accuracy, ensuring that even the smallest flaws are detected and addressed. AI algorithms can learn from vast amounts of data, continuously improving their performance. This data includes images of both good and bad welds, which helps the AI to distinguish between them effectively. This allows them to continuously improve their accuracy over time, making the welding process more reliable and safe. The integration of AI in weld testing not only enhances quality, but also reduces costs and increases productivity, revolutionizing the industry.
Section 5: Real-world applications of AI in weld testing. AI-powered weld testing is already being used in various industries. In manufacturing, AI systems are inspecting welds on car parts and aircraft components. In construction, they are ensuring the integrity of welds in bridges and buildings. These real-world applications demonstrate the effectiveness of AI in improving weld quality and safety.
Section 6: Future of AI in weld testing. A glimpse. The future of AI in weld testing is bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and automated systems. This includes real-time weld monitoring and predictive maintenance. These advancements will further enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and safety of weld testing.
Section 7: Benefits of AI in weld testing. The benefits of AI in weld testing are numerous. AI-powered systems offer increased accuracy, speed, and cost-effectiveness. They also reduce the risk of human error. By improving weld quality and safety, AI is contributing to a more reliable and secure future for industries that rely on welding.